What is up, y'all? Simanga Michael Jumper here. Today we're doing another Master the Basic video, and today we're going to demo the plank. Again, another super functional move, something that you'll need to know how to do, even on the basic level. Okay, so let's get into it. Okay, so there's different types of planks. There's a side plank, there's an alternating plank, there's a plank with a leg lift. There's so many, but today we're just going to do the basic. Okay. So my job is to help you guys who are basic. So the way we do this one is we set up on the ground, and then our elbows are going to be shoulder width apart, and then you want your elbow right underneath that AC joint, or that your shoulder joint basically. So if you move them too far there, you might end up feeling some pain in there. So just move them to a point where this is right underneath that shoulder. So the shoulder width apart, then I come up off the ground, and then I almost do a little bit of a crunch. And I hold for however long you need to hold for. The other thing with these is, you're also gonna make sure that your feet are shoulder width apart, right? And then the other thing is, when you're in that position, you want to make sure that you stay in that position where your entire body is parallel to the ground. So don't let this happen. I see that a lot. Also don't want this. So you want to stay there. Last thing is, the plank is a relatively simple move, but it's also relatively easy to mess up. So the last thing I want you guys to think of when you're doing the plank is, you want to take small breaths of air, small sips of air while you're doing the plank, so you can still maintain tightness. Too many people try to hold their breath while they're doing the plank. That's not the right way to go about the plank or any other exercise. You'll run out of breath really quickly, your muscles won't be getting any oxygen, and you'll basically just suck at the exercise, and you'll stop before your muscles reach fatigue or failure. Alright, so that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like the video if you do like the video, and now we'll see you guys for the next one.